Do you know the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? It's a lullaby. A lullaby is a gentle song. We sing lullabies to babies and children. They help little ones fall asleep. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is a very old song. People all over the world know it. It's a song passed down through generations. Parents sing it to their children. Then, those children grow up. They sing it to their children too. The words are simple, the tune is easy to remember, but there's something magical about it. It makes us think of the night sky. The words of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star come from a poem. The poem is called The Star. A woman named Jane Taylor wrote it. She wrote it a long time ago. It was the year 1806. Jane put the poem in a book. The book was called Rhymes for the Nursery. The book was very popular. People loved the poems inside. They were easy for children to understand. Jane's poem, The Star, became a song. Someone put it to music. The melody is simple and sweet. It fits the words perfectly. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is very old, but it's still popular today. Why? Maybe it's because it reminds us of our childhood. The song makes us feel safe and loved. It reminds us of when we were very young. Maybe our parents sang it to us. Or maybe we learned it in school. No matter how we learned it, the song makes us happy. When we sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, we think of the night sky. The stars look like tiny diamonds. They sparkle and shine. The night sky is a beautiful mystery. It makes us feel small, but it also makes us feel connected to something big. We are part of the universe, and the universe is full of wonder. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star reminds us of this. It's a simple song, but it has a powerful message. The world is full of beauty and wonder. We just need to open our eyes and see it.